My name is Delilah and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a girl that burps and just talks random nonsense every week. Sometimes it's twice a week, sometimes it's not once that week. I don't know, it just depends how busy I am. And yeah, my hair is currently growing out, so it looks like I have a bald spot. So I need to dye that, but whatever. This is what you have to deal with today because I'm not having a great, like, feeling pretty day today. Like, I just feel, yeah. And I'm also hungry, so I got snacks. I was gonna watch a movie with you guys, but I can't get the fucking OBS to work again. So I got 2 chocolates and I got 2 drinks to try. They're not energy drinks today, though. They're called Knox Sparkling Hydration Drinks. This one is strawberry watermelon, and this one is blue raspberry flavored. Just hopping on here while editing, I realized that I didn't know about the law of this drink, right? Okay, so this is by Dricus Duploy, UFC middleweight champion. Okay, I'm not a sports girl, so I didn't know that. My boyfriend educated me on that. So that is what the Knox is that I'm trying in this video. Sorry, I didn't know that. Apparently this is a big deal. Sorry, Dricus. I'm just a girl, don't come for me. I'm just a baby. So yeah, thought I'd try them out today. And talk some shit with my buddies. Check it out. Everyone asks me why I tap it. I don't know. I just do. Okay. I feel like these things are very gassy. So let's see what we're working with today. It's nice. And it's gassy. Oh, I like this one. That's not a bad start. That is not a bad start. This is really yummy. Woo-hoo-hoo. I like that one. You guys must think I'm mental. Someone told me the other day on TikTok that I should get a real talent. Burping is not a talent. And I was like, I have real talents, but there's like more talented people out there that can do it better than me. Burping isn't a talent, obviously. It's just fun. Do you not know fun, my guy? Poor thing. I know fun though, and that's why you guys love me and not him. So let's try the Knox. What is this? This is hazelnut, nougat, and caramel. Fucking love anything nougat, anything caramel. So this is like, no, I don't chill. Oh, like I'm taking it. I was like 5 for 50 rand or something. I was like, fuck, I'm taking it. That's like $3, I think, if I'm not mistaken. This is delicious. So these are my TikTok pants. They used to fit so well, but not anymore. They've drooped because they're old. So I need to get me some more pants. You guys love my wet burps. I don't like wet burps. They're dangerous. So dangerous. A few of you have also asked if I can burp on demand. I can, kind of, but like it doesn't always work. This just guarantees that it's gonna be a burp if I just go. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. So yummy. Please don't ever follow me for health advice because clearly I'm not the most healthy person on this channel, on this site. I'm here for fun eating. I wish I could be a food review channel. Oh my god, that would be my dream. Just eat. Just eat good food. Good restaurants. A food critic channel. Can you imagine? Nobody will take me serious. By the way, none of this stuff is sponsored, but if you want to sponsor me, my god, I'm all ears. I'm all ears. I'm having fun. Are you having fun? Are you having a good day? Tell me, what's your day been like? Wow. That's really interesting. You should tell me more. Maybe I should do like a roleplay video like this with you guys. It's always weird when it's YouTube because you'll get some guy commenting, "Oh, what is this? I don't know what this is. This shouldn't be on YouTube. Report." Fucking prude. I promise I'm not a prude. Like, I know a lot of people are like, why is her YouTube and stuff so tame? Because I live in an extremely conservative country. Okay, and my stuff doesn't like get pushed to people who necessarily are into things like burping and war and stuff like that. It gets pushed to the local people. And they'll think I'm fucking insane. Which is fine. But, yeah, so you guys know. But I am also very boring. Like, I'm not going out and doing collabs with people. I tend to stay at home. Stay in my lane. I try not to. See, the thing is, people are drama and I just don't want drama in my life. That's all. But if I meet some cool friends, I'll be more than happy to like go to things and collab and whatever. It just depends on the comfort level. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now. I still have another 10 to go through, so ooh, I need to hurry up. I love toffee, caramel, and nougat. This is probably my favorite chocolate in the world because it has all three of those things. Oh wait, hazelnut, nougat, and caramel, not toffee. Caramel tastes like toffee to me though. Tempting. Like a bowl one. Oh, yummy. I love my bowl one. What's your favorite chocolate? This is delicious. It really looks like I'm balding. I need to dye my hair. Yummy, 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 yummy. Trying to think what I can talk to you guys about. What a week, huh? What a sad, depressing week for the world. You know? Says the most powerful person in power is a little incel. Isn't that great? Yay! Yay us. It's shit, you know? I'm talking about the US elections in case you don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. But yeah, it's unfortunate. And the world's gonna end. So let's just burp, be merry, eat our chocolates, and just fucking enjoy the world while it's still around, man. Because there's nothing else we can do. This is my Titanic pose. I should really try and like do something like ABC say I love you or something. Okay. I'm gonna try and say subscribe. Hold on, I got one. I can't. My burps are too small to like say anything. No, I was gonna say something, it didn't work. All I can say is subscribe, maybe. I tried. That was such a fail. If you guys have any burping challenges, let me know. But I'm probably gonna be doing a lot of stuff with you guys, like watch a movie, react to music. But I would obviously need permission from the people making the music and making the movie for me to react to it. I know there's one copyright-free movie I wanted to watch with you guys, a horror movie. But I can't figure out how. There's some technical issues. I need to figure it out. Okay, once that's done, we'll do a movie. Do you guys want to do like a date night, like movie with me where we burp and watch a movie? I thought that could be really fun. And then, I don't know. You guys should tell me where else I should burp, what else I should do while I'm burping. I don't know. Whatever. I know a lot of you want contests, and I am trying to get some duets. I'm trying to get some more people to come burp with me, but a lot of people don't want their faces shown, obviously, because they either work in the adult industry or, you know, they don't want to be associated with the adult industry. So, you know, YouTube is a hard one. It's a hard one to navigate. And if you're not watching this on YouTube, please go to my YouTube. It's youtube.com/DelilahD. It's like the easiest handle of all my handles. Please go and subscribe to me. Because I post this shit everywhere. Because just to get traffic is like so hard. Oh, this pink one's really nice. I wonder how the blue one's gonna hold up. Burping improv. I quite like that. Let's do that again. That's not working out anymore. Whenever I try something with burping, I try it again. My body's like, nope, too much. Hold on, I got a big one. Wait. This is for the guy who told me that burping wasn't a talent. Suck on that, bitch. Now let's try the blue raspberry flavor. My chocolate is also finished. I need to get my mic to work again. I got like a new mic thing, whatever. I can't figure out how to fucking charge it. I use it for 5 minutes and it stops working. Okay, this sounds pretty gassy. Let's see what we can get. Ooh, I don't like that flavor as much. It's very, very blueberry. Blue raspberry? Blue? Yeah, it's very that. It tastes like chewing gum. That's what it tastes like. Or toothpaste. Yeah. It kind of tastes like, you know, only smokers will know this, but there's like a camel purple. It kind of tastes like that if it was a drink. I don't smoke anymore, but I used to. Okay, that's a lie. I don't smoke cigarettes anymore. I do smoke everything else. Especially my socks. I need to stop saying shit like that. You guys can take me seriously. Oh, that was beautiful. Give me a like if you like that one. You have to. It's obligatory now. Obligatory? That's what it is. Christmas is coming up. Do you know what you're gonna buy yet? Because I got no fucking clue. I got no clue. I want everything, but I can afford nothing. That was cool. Oh my goodness. Why does it startle me so every single time? Okay. Focus, Delilah, focus. Listen, this blue one might not be my favorite flavor, but it's giving me my favorite burps. Okay, this one is gassy F. Also, I'm waiting for my contact lenses. That's why I'm wearing my glasses today. Leave me questions in like the comment section or something that I can actually respond to you guys when I do these videos, because I think it'll be fun. It'll be really fun. Also, when I do a mukbang, I was thinking of doing a mukbang of like South African cuisines and stuff. If you guys are interested in that, let me know. And yeah. Or maybe even your country, you could import me some stuff. I don't know how that works though. I don't think I've ever gotten food from overseas. Ooh. Excuse me. Something people love to comment on my burping videos. Excuse you. Excusez-moi. I don't even know how that left the tin. I'm getting full now. I was about to finish this. I feel like I've spoiled my appetite. Fine, I'll eat it for you guys. Because I know you guys love it when I eat nice things. And I love it when I eat things, whatever. Fine, you've twisted my arm, I'll eat it. My second loss. I'm gonna get sick of it if I keep eating it. My tummy is gonna be so bloated after this. I'll make a bloated belly. I'm fucking drunk here. I'll make a bloated belly video for you guys after this. But that'll have to be on my clip site. I'll post it then. After I post this one. Okay? If you are so in the mood to see how big my belly got from all of this, I'll put one on Courage to show you guys. Courage.org/Delilah. There my belly is very appreciated. Oh. Oh, that was a nice one. Well, they weren't lying. It's very hydrating. And it's very tasty, actually. Even the blueberry. I don't taste as much blueberry the more I drink it. Maybe because I'm used to it. But yeah, the watermelon strawberry is much nicer in my opinion. But strawberry can never go wrong for me. Ever. I love strawberry anything. I was that little kid that I want everything pink and red. So strawberry and cherry were my favorite everything. That's why I have cherries on my hip. I need to still get a strawberry tattoo somewhere. I have the lips and I have the cherries. Now I just need a strawberry somewhere. Maybe I'll have like strawberry vines like all over my body. That'd be sick, actually. If you get it, credit me, fuck. You know how many people I have told, I think it was maybe about 3 people I've told, like, tattoos I've wanted to get. And then, like, I'd meet them later on and see they got the tattoo. Then I'm like, girl. Now, in hindsight, I'm glad I never got those tattoos because they were really corny, like, early 2000s tattoos. So, yeah, I'm quite happy I never did that. Tummy's full now. Oh, my tummy's so full. I'm going to burst. I legit feel like I'm gonna burst, Whew. I'm really, really full. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. You'd really be helping my channel out. And also, leave me a little comment. Tell me where you're from. Tell me whatever you want to tell me. Okay. Oh, I love doing these clips. They're so much fun. And you guys are fun to hang out with. But let me know if you want me to do that date thing. Like a roleplay date thing on YouTube. I feel like that could be safe. Obviously, the date before the date gets all hot and steamy, you know. Watch a movie together. Maybe eat some popcorn. Maybe it could be a mukbang while we watch a scary movie. What do you guys think? Let me know. That was dangerous. I'm gonna finish this 10 now, and I bet you I'm going to pop. I'm going to pop. I need to take longer sips, huh? Oh, this is getting tough. Look at his belly. Okay, I literally think I'm gonna pop now. Oh no.